everyone, my name is Daeyoon and I'm here to show you guys how to do daily makeup. And some of the how-to videos of other people, it might seem very intense, but I'm here to show just a basic daily makeup. And this is Alina, she will be assisting today. Before we apply the first step, which is foundation, just make sure that your canvas is clean. Did you wash your face? Yes. So to apply our foundation, normally people use these sponges that you can easily find in Ulta or even Walgreens, but we're gonna go original and use these. So today we're going to just do half of the makeup so that you could easily compare the before and after. So for the foundation, we will be using Estee Lauder. It's just a yellow looking foundation. How do you use this? Oof. I mean, here's the shade. Oh my gosh. Yep, close your eyes. Oh my gosh. And make sure that you blend in with your neck so that it doesn't look weird. Okay. And wipe the excess off. So now we will use these Too Faced eyeshadows to contour. And we will use these. And please make sure to do that with your face because it makes it easier to see where your cheekbones are and how it should be shaped. And you can see that's pretty good looking. And make sure to do your nose. Oh my gosh. So this is pretty basic for daily, but if you are going to party or you want to make these cheekbones more defined, we will use this brush and apply a little more. So from the front angle, you can really tell that her face has thinned. And from the side angle, you can really tell where her cheekbones are and it's very defined. And now that her cheekbones are very defined, we'll move on to doing eyebrows. Some people like their arches to be in the middle, which I find a little odd. We will make sure to define her arch on the outside, and yeah, we will work on that. So I'll be using this gel type eyebrows, just this. And make sure that when you apply it to the brush, you get it full. And just do it. And you can already noticeably see the improvement, and you can make your eyebrows very defined. And now, if you don't want super thick eyebrows, you can use some concealer and just gently apply a little bit to the bottom of it. Which you can totally tell the difference. And now we're done with eyebrows. We'll apply some eyeshadows, and today I'm gonna use a little pink from NYX. And pink is just a pretty color and makes girls really look girly, and it's a pretty color. So I'll be applying it to her eyes. So just use these and gently rub it on your eyeball. Oh. You know, I didn't mean your eyeball, your eyelid. And it's just a pretty color. It's perfect for daily use, and you can just go outside and you can just go outside and no one will really notice. It's just that like sparkly, pretty And make sure that you put some on your, like, under your eyes. So define your eyebrows, we will use a little bit more of concealer to make sure that you know where the eyebrows begin. Okay. Okay. And I will just make sure that eyebrows very visible. So as you can see, Lena kind of has this Angry Bird look, which actually is the new trend that's starting right now here as you watch the video. So yeah, that you can just do it anytime for the daily, and you can be the trendy person. So as you can see, I kind of like to bring the end of eyeliner all the way up to the tip of eyebrows. And this kind of gives this glamorous look, and yeah, it's very pretty. So we will take a little break here so you can think of all the steps and you could learn from this video. So this is just a daily makeup, as I mentioned earlier. She can just go to work like this and the boss will just love her, and she can just make a lot of new friends. So now we finished her underline. I can clearly see that we need to work on more inner eye, so I will be touching up a little bit. That is looking very gorgeous. Oh, just like. That just looks perfect. So next step is going to be applying lipstick. So we will be using this very gorgeous color. And also this maroonish color. And we'll be mixing up together. So I will begin with applying this on the outer part of her lips. Okay. Ladies, there's no reason to get lip injections because you can get the same look by easily just going up a little above your lip line as I did with Alina's. And then now I will be filling up her lips with this color and it'll be like inside. It's the same color. You can clearly see the difference. That is just pretty. Now the most important step, it'll be the highlighter, which these days you can't just go out without highlighters because this is just your life. I will be using this. And you can just gently apply it to your cheekbones to make it define. And it'll be up on your nose. And to your forehead. And you can put a little bit on your chin. Yeah, I just put a little bit to just show you how it looks like on daily use. But depending on where you go, like maybe to a party or something, you could definitely put more and just look bold. As the final step, we will be applying more of blush, and to match your lips, we will be using a little dark purple color, and it'll be these. Just use normal blush brush. Oh my god. I honestly personally love this color. It's like purple. No one really uses it, but it's another trend that's starting to I'm starting to notice it, and you can really do a lot with purple. Like that's just pretty color. So this is the whole completed makeup, and you can pause and see this is before and after. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Daeyoon. This is our model, Alina. Just leave comments down below, and if you want to subscribe to our page. Thank you so much.